Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to remove PayPal account from Tango app. It's very easy, so let's get started. All right, so if you added your PayPal account and probably there's an error or you no longer want to use that payment method, you can remove it at any time you choose. All right, so let's see how to do it. So first step you have to take is, of course, open your Tango app and log into your account. Next, if you look at the top left corner, you're going to see your avatar or profile icon right there. Click on that. All right, so after clicking on that, next thing you want to do is to scroll down just a little bit and you'll see this get money option. Tap on that and then you're going to see your linked PayPal account. So all you have to do is to just click on this arrow right here, this arrow icon right there. Right, so just tap on that and you get the option to disconnect. Click on disconnect and confirm that you want to disconnect and it will be disconnected. Right, so that's how you can do it. Hope this guide was helpful and you now know how to disconnect or remove your PayPal account from Tango app. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.